Is your computer feeling sluggish? Is it taking longer than usual to open programs and applications? You're not alone. Trusted Eagle is here to help. A slow computer can be a major frustration, but there are a few things you can do to speed it up. 1. Cluttered hard drive. If your hard drive is full of files, it can take longer for your computer to access the information it needs. 2. Too many startup programs. When you turn on your computer, a number of programs automatically start up. If you have too many startup programs, it can slow down the boot process and make your computer feel sluggish. 3. Malware and viruses. Malware and viruses can also slow down your computer by using up resources and interfering with its operation. 4. Outdated software. Outdated software can also cause performance issues. Make sure you're running the latest versions of your operating system, drivers, and applications. 5. Hardware limitations. In some cases, your computer may simply be too old or underpowered to handle the tasks you're asking of it. If you're using a very old computer, you may need to upgrade to a newer model. In the next video, I will share some tips on how to solve these issues. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.